Hi, I'm Teia Golden, and this channel it's all about McCall, Idaho. Today we're going to talk about the 5 most unusual homes located in McCall, Idaho. So you might have seen some of these homes when you're riding around the lake, and some of these you might have never seen, and you might want to check them out next time you're in town. When I'm out driving around, I stumbled upon a few homes while I'm showing properties that are quite out of the norm. The first home is 995 Wagon Wheel. I chose this home because it's a mid-century modern home. This type of architecture was popular the year this home was built. The home was built in 1958. McCall doesn't have many mid-century modern homes, so I added this one to the list. The only other mid-century modern home that I know of is the Glass House, which gets plenty of publicity. So today we're going to highlight this home located on the west side of Payette Lake. The next house is 1406 Boise Loop. This home is unusual because it looks like it's built underground. The whole entire roof of the house is grass, and I just wonder what they do in the winter and do they mow the roof in the summer. The next one is 3580 Warren Wagon Road. This is out on the Point of Rocks. You might have seen it when you're riding your boat around Payette Lake. And this home was sold in March of 2015 at auction in the amount of $480,000. So that just might be a surprising fact about this unusual home out on the Point of Rocks. This was built in 1974. And when it sold, came with full mineral rights. Another iconic McCall house would be the Toaster House. It was originally located on Lake Street and has been recently moved over to Davis across from the Aspen condos. This home is very unusual. The last one and the most unusual would be 613 Lick Creek, located over by Davis Beach on the east side of Payette Lake. It was built in the 1940s, and the legal description actually says railroad car. And as you can see, it looks just like a railroad car. So if you're local and you've seen these homes or have photos of the inside, feel free to leave the photo in the comment. And if this video has given you more information about McCall, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.